Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Garry's mod on PS4. Unfortunately, Garry's mod is not officially available on the PlayStation 4 console. This beloved sandbox game, known for its immense creativity and user-generated content, was developed specifically for PC platforms. Many players wonder if they can experience it on their PlayStation, but the answer is no. We'll dive into why this is the case and explore the best ways to enjoy Garry's mod. Garry's mod has a long history, first launching on PC in 2004, then expanding to Mac in 2010, and Linux in 2013. It is a PC-centric title, meaning it's built from the ground up for computers. You can find and purchase it on Steam, which is Valve's digital storefront for PC games. This platform allows for the extensive modding and community content that defines the Garry's mod experience. There are several key reasons why Garry's mod isn't on PlayStation 4. Firstly, the game thrives on user-generated content and a vast array of mods, which are much harder to implement and manage on a closed console system. PlayStation's ecosystem has strict guidelines for content, limiting the open-ended nature of Garry's mod. Additionally, the technical architecture of a PC and a console differ significantly, making a direct port a complex and often unfeasible task for developers. If you're eager to play Garry's mod, the most straightforward and recommended approach is to play it on a personal computer. This ensures you get the full, uncompromised experience with access to all mods and community content. If PC gaming isn't an option, you might explore other sandbox-style games available on the PlayStation 4 that offer creative freedom, though they won't be exactly like Garry's mod. Remember, unofficial methods are not supported and often do not work as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.